Welcome, my friend. If you are a beginner and you feel like you are too late to learn English, this video is for you. I want you to know one thing before we begin. You are not late. You are right on time. This guide is not for kids or for people who just want quick results. This guide is for real people, like you, who work hard, who have responsibilities, who may feel shy, afraid, or even broken because they can't speak English. But today, I will show you that learning English is possible, no matter your age, background, or experience. Let me take you on a journey, not just of grammar or vocabulary, but of courage, mindset, struggles, and success. Part 1. Why most adults fail to learn English. Before we talk about how to succeed, we must understand why people fail. As adults, we carry more pressure, work, family, expectations. Time is limited, energy is low. Society tells us that we should already know English by now. This creates shame and fear. You feel like a failure. Some adults try learning through grammar books. Others jump from YouTube video to video. But nothing sticks. Here are some real hurdles. Lack of time, fear of being judged. No English-speaking environment, bad school experiences in the past, overthinking and fear of making mistakes. And the biggest one, they don't believe in themselves. Part 2, my English journey, from embarrassment to confidence. Let me tell you my own story. At age 23, I couldn't speak English. I could read and write a little, but speaking? No way. Every time someone said hello in English, I felt my heart beat faster. I would sweat. I would avoid speaking. I thought I was not good enough. In job interviews, I failed. In front of friends, I stayed quiet. At night, I would cry alone, thinking, why can't I speak English? What's wrong with me? But one day, I said to myself, I will not live like this. Even if I learn one word a day, I will learn. That was the turning point. I stopped trying to be perfect. I started focusing on daily improvement. I made many mistakes, but I kept going. Now I speak English fluently, and I want the same for you. Part 3. How to start learning English from zero, the real way. 1. Start with your mind as stop saying, I can't. Oh, say, I am learning. Oh, every mistake is proof that you are trying too. Set your why. Oh, why do you want to learn? Oh, for a better job, for travel, for your children. Oh, write it down and read it daily. 3. Make a realistic plan. Oh, you don't need 5 hours a day. 30 minutes is enough if you are consistent to divide your time. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Learnenglish. Start listening daily. Oh, use slow English stories, beginner podcasts, and daily conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, just listen. 5. Speak every day, even alone. Oh, talk to yourself. Oh, record your voice. Oh, say simple sentences about your day. 6. Write your thoughts in English. Oh, keep a diary. Oh, don't worry about grammar. Oh, just write what you feel. 7. Don't worry about grammar in the beginning. Oh, focus on understanding and communication. Oh, grammar will come later, naturally. Part 4. Overcoming real hurdles in adult English learning. Let's go deeper into the struggles adults face and how to solve them. Hurdle 1. You feel ashamed. Solution. Remember, many people your age are in the same boat. You are not the only one. Start in a safe environment. Speak to yourself or join beginner groups. Hurdle 2. No one to practice with. Solution. You don't need a partner to start. Speak into your phone. Use apps. Talk to yourself. Start solo. Join online English groups later. Hurdle 3. You have a full-time job. Solution. Use your commute time. Listen while you cook. Read for 5 minutes during breaks. Learning English doesn't need a classroom. It needs your decision. Hurdle 4. You feel tired. Solution. That's okay. Take small steps. 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 video a day. Progress is still progress. Hurdle 5. You are not tech savvy. Solution. Use simple apps like Google Translate or YouTube. You don't need to be tech smart. You need to be consistent. Hurdle 6. People laugh at you. Solution. People laugh at what they don't understand. Ignore them. Keep your focus. Prove them wrong silently. Hurdle 7. You want fast results. Solution. Fast results don't last. Build strong, slow, steady progress. That will stay with you for life. Part 5. What to expect after 30, 60, 90 days. In 30 days, you will understand basic words. You will feel less scared. You will start forming small sentences. In 60 days, you will understand more when people talk. You will begin replying in English. Your confidence will grow in 90 days. You will hold simple conversations. You will write better. You will feel like a new person. Part 6. Daily routine for adult learners. Morning, 10 minutes. Listen to an English podcast while getting ready. Afternoon, 10 minutes. Learn 3 new words and make 3 sentences. Evening, 10 minutes. Speak for 5 minutes and write a short diary entry. That's just 30 minutes a day. Part 7. Advanced tips, rarely shared but powerful. 1. Use a mirror. Speak in front of a mirror. Practice expressions, tone, confidence. 2. Voice shadowing. Repeat after native speakers with same speed and emotion. 3. English alarm clock. Wake up to an English podcast or affirmation daily. 4. 1 English day a week. Use only English on that day for texting, talking, and thinking. 5. Record and listen. Weekly, hear your progress. This builds confidence faster than you think. 6. Watch with subtitles off. Once a week. Trains your brain to catch real conversation. 7. Use sticky notes. Label objects at home in English, mirror, door, fridge, etc. 8. Read out loud. Daily helps speaking fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Part 8. Final message. You are stronger than you think. You have survived so many things in life. Pain, failure, disappointment. And yet you are still standing. Learning English is just another mountain. You can climb it. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be brave. You are not too old. You are ready. Start today. Speak today. And 1 year from now, you will thank yourself. Your journey begins now. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Your future begins now.